cabinets in need of an update? Adding glass inserts offers a bright, airy, modern feel. This glass doctor is here to tell you that for those that suffer from design restlessness, adding glass to your cabinets is an easy way to allow for a change of scheme with quick color changes instantly achieved via dishware or even holiday decor. There are a bunch of different options for kitchen cabinet glass inserts. Plexiglass is light and durable. Frosted glass can camouflage what's in your cabinets if you like. Seated glass can pull that off as well. It doesn't all have to be simple, clean, transparent glass. Keep in mind, if you're planning on converting some old cabinets into glass cabinets yourself, here's a taste of what you'll need. Safety glasses and hearing protection, a jigsaw, utility or plastic cutting knife for the plexiglass installations, router and a 1/2 inch router bit with bearing roller guide on top for glass installations, painter's tape, clear silicone, caulk or glass clips, molding, cordless driller screwdriver, pliers, wood chisel, yardstick or measuring tape, carpenter square or straight edge. Yeah, that's a pretty big job if you're a beginner. If you're ready to insert yourself into a new kitchen design and feel like this is a bigger project than you thought, then give us a call at Glass Doctor. We can help. Our contact info is in the description below.